Hi guys and welcome back to Cam's Crazy Life. Today we have a very special video. I received a package in the mail for a doll I was very excited for. This is from Mattel Creations. If you know what that is, let me know. I got her today. I was just at work, got home, got changed into something more theme appropriate for the shirt. And now I'm using a little pin to, little T-pin to open the box. I just got the Lost Boy dolls. If you look at that, you can see that on the inside. I got her. This is the Me3gan collector doll. Textured box. Very cool box. This is a very gorgeous doll. I absolutely adore her. She is amazing. Take a look. She does have these little faces. This is her real face. This is a faceplate. The doll is beautiful in her package. You can see the back, but time to look at her. She's cute. Oh, the faceplate looks so I'm gonna have to take her out to see, but I think it looks ugly in box, the way they have her hair. I'm gonna get some pictures of her out of box, and then I will be back with her in video of the back of their box. This is a absolutely gorgeous doll set. They look absolutely stunning as a doll. Their hair just looks a little weird. Other than that, I love all the other little details. She will look perfect on the shelf right next to the Lost Boys. I'm gonna go ahead and get her out, and I'll be right back with her out of the clip. Before I get her out of box, this is her robot face. It looks gorgeous. This is her human face. It looks very creepy, but I just got her holding it in box like that. I love it. I love her. She is gorgeous. I'm so very excited for her. I'm about to get her out of the box the rest of the way. I just wanted to get a video of me showing her holding her face. Very gorgeous. I will be back when she is open. Hi guys, so it is a couple days later. I got her, I want to say Friday night after work. I opened her up Friday night. It is currently Tuesday at 1 p.m. I opened her. I loved her. I just forgot to do the second half of the review. So, of course it's backwards. She comes with this adorable little bag, which I'm so sure is some reference to her movie. It's a gorgeous little bag. She also comes with a little certificate of authenticity. Mattel Creations X Me3gan. Just a cute little thing. As for the actual doll, she's beautiful. Starting at her face, she has this gorgeous, beautiful blonde hair. I would love to recurl it, but that'll be a project for future me. Her face has this plate on it. So take both of her ears and then I know I have two hands, but I'm stupid. Her little face comes off, and then it reveals the robot underneath. She has her classic blue eyes. She has black eyeliner circling her eyes. She has this little black detail on her head. She is missing a spot for her nose, but she has her mouth. The actual face up, though, has some beautiful details on it. I'm going to go and put this back on her. Has some beautiful details, some nice blonde eyebrows, some gorgeous little simple eyeshadow, and a nude lip with some light blushing. Her dress has a blood splattered blue, yellow, and red bow with a little skelet on it right there. Her dress is this computer pattern with the sleeves, mesh sleeves. She has more computer patterned leggings, and then two different kind of object heels. I'm not sure what they're meant to be. This is like one of those like fighter robot things, I think. I'm not really sure. Overall, this is a gorgeous doll. She'll go right there in my collection, and I am so incredibly grateful to have her. They have the Us and the Corpse Bride set coming out, and I think that's it for now that we know of, other than Elvira. So I will be going a little insane and getting both of those as well, but I'm in love with this Me3gan doll. I might eventually get one to keep in box and then just take her face off and have her hold her face, but I think my main one will wear her face like this. Other than that, I hope you guys have an absolute wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, night, whoever it is you are. I love you guys. Bye.